Hey guys, Try Again FPV here with another giveaway video. This one's pretty cool, you guys. So Ovonic is going to sponsor this video and give away 2 batteries of your choice shipped to your door if you live in the US or Canada. But there's something else really cool that we're going to be giving away. That's right, one of you guys is going to win this fitted flat bill Ovonic hat. It's really cool, man. Look at the stitching on that bad boy. That's fancy, huh? Look at that. So here's how we're going to do the giveaway. Super simple. Like, comment, subscribe. That's all you got to do. Do those 3 things, you're entered to win the batteries, and yeah, I'll pick a random comment in 2 weeks. You guys will get some free stuff. Good luck to everybody, and here's me flying stuff.